I as Math, and you're going to learn how to draw a parabola with a horizontal translation or a mix of translations. Of course, you can always use a table method to draw graphs, but if you understand translations of parabolas, you will be able to draw them faster, and you will also be able to find the equation of such parabolas from its graph. You probably noticed last time that the only thing I had to translate was the vertex, and then I just draw the parabola starting from this point. And we're still using this method today. In the last video, we looked at how parabolas can be translated vertically. We concluded that for a vertical translation of a simple parabola, the y-intercept, that is the number without the x, was also the vertex, and we drew the rest of the parabola by going up in the odd numbers. The equation of such a parabola was always y is equal to x squared plus c, where c was the shift in positive y direction, so up. When a basic parabola is shifted horizontally, the equation is slightly different. Y is equal to x minus b in brackets squared is the general equation of a basic parabola shifted b units to the right. I'm using a different letter here, so we don't get confused when we combine these translations later on. Let's have a look at a few examples. You may have imagined that y is equal to x plus 2 in brackets squared represents a parabola shifted to the right, but it's not. A positive number in the brackets means a shift to the left and a negative a shift to the right. Why is this? We know that the vertex of such a parabola is on the x-axis, so its y-coordinate is 0. So the question is, when is x plus 2 in the brackets squared equal to 0? Well, when x plus 2 is equal to 0, which is that x is equal to negative 2. So the vertex of this parabola is negative 2, 0, which represents a shift to the left from the origin. How do you draw such a parabola? Just as before. Find the vertex, from the vertex find some other points, going one across and up in the odd numbers and connect. Let's go up one more step. How about if we combine a horizontal and a vertical stretch? Well, as long as you can find the vertex, you'll be good. Think quick. What is the vertex of this parabola? Pause the video and write it down. Did you get negative 2, negative 4? Well, it must be a shift 2 units to the left and 4 units down. Once we've got the point, we do the usual thing. The general equation for such a translated parabola is y is equal to x minus b in brackets squared plus c, with b representing the number of units the vertex is shifted to the left and c the number of units it's shifted up. Once you understand how translations in vertical and horizontal direction are linked to the equation, it's easy to find the vertex and draw the parabolas. But it also works the other way around. You can use your understanding of the vertex form to find equations of a parabola. Today I'm going to leave you with a challenge. Write down the equations of these parabolas. Pause the video and write them down. In the next video, I'm going to show you the answer to the challenge and also what other kind of transformations you can do with parabolas. In the meantime, have fun practicing.